Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Emma Stone as Cruella, so let's get started. To draw clever as Stella, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here, basically draw the bottom of a U. So start with a curve, come right across, so say about right here. And do the same thing. I'm going to connect it at the bottom right here. And as I come to the center, I'm going to make it a little bit sharper. I'm going to try to make it a little bit sharper. So say about right there. And then come up, just like the other side, and connect. There. It's just slightly sharper. Then from there, let's come to the side where we started, and we're going to draw a circle for the eyes. And same thing on the other side. So say about right here. Now that we have our circles in, let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. I'm going to come in here, 2 small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that we have the eyes in, let's come to the corner right here, and I'm just going to draw this long, thick lash, kind of like this little cat tail right here, and same thing on the other side. And that's all I'm going to put in here, just to make her a little bit more mischievous looking. Hopefully that will work. So nice and thick on the corners. Then from there, let's come up and we're going to draw her brow. So say about right here, and give it an arc, come down, and I'll just go ahead and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side. So about right here, nice arc, and then come down and thicken it up. There. And then of course, let's give her a mischievous smile. So about in this area right here, I'm going to draw a curve that goes up and cap it off. There. Now to draw her amazing hair. So I'm imagining an oval as I do this. So let's say about right here, right in the center. I'll give myself a point. From there, I'm going to start to draw a bunch of curves. So here we go. We're going to go up first. So these 2 main curves right in the center. Then to frame her face, I'm going to go around just to create these loops and curls. There's really no right or wrong way. You just want to create this curve, but with some loops in it, just going around however you need to create. So like right here, I'll just go ahead and finish it off. Some curves. And so same thing on the other side. So say about right here. Just gonna curve, and then maybe about here. Try not to make it too complicated, but hopefully you get the idea. Just want to create these curves that go all around. Then let's come into this space right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve to finish it off. Right there. And then we're going to go nice and high. So let's say about right here. Nice and high, right in the center. And I'll just connect this with a wiggle down. And then we're going to go up and up on both sides. From there, I'm going to create this curve that's going to come to about right here and doing the same thing. So that's our goal, but it's going to be nice and full. So just remember that. So once again, just all these curves. We're going to go around. And we just want to make it nice and full and coming down to here. So maybe sometimes you can go the other way. Hopefully I'm not overcomplicating things, but I really wanted to get the texture of her hair and bring it in. So hopefully that does look like it. And so same thing on the other side. So let's go and do the same thing about right here. Just want it nice and full and round. So if it helps, you can just draw a curve first to create that shape of a pencil, and then go in there and draw these curves however you like. If that helps. So about right here. And bring it in. So this side is slightly lower for her hair. Okay, so we're totally done with her hair. Now the hardest part, right? So then now let's draw her body. So right in the center, and give her a little neck and bring it down. And I'll go ahead and connect it with a curve. Then we're gonna have to draw her collar for her outfit. So let's come right here and here, 2 angle lines. And I'm going to come out right here and connect. And connect right there. Then in this area, just imagine as if you're drawing her shoulders, we're just going to come right here and add an angle line. There. And we're going to stop right there because her shoulders are poofy. So let's go come down. So about right here would be kind of like where her armpits would be. Right there, and I'm going to draw a slight angle inwards. So this time it comes in because her outfit, I need it to come in so I can flare out the bottom of her jacket. So then from there, let's go ahead and connect this. Now that we have that shape in, let's connect that. And now we're going to go out. From there, let's go ahead and connect this with a curve. And then her skirt. So just come in a tiny bit and we're just going to continue the flare. Just keep continuing and flaring out. And just bring it all the way down. Bring it down to about the same level, but right there, I'll go ahead and connect with a curve. Then from there, her legs. So I'm having her legs kind of standing apart. So let's say about right here and here, nice and centered. I'm going to go ahead and work on this side. So draw an angle line out. Then her ankles, and then we're going to start to flare out a curve. There, so same thing on this side. A little heel. And then flare it out, curve. Just make sure you're at the same level. Right there. And connect. Then I'm just simplifying this. I'm just making it kind of like this boot. I'm not sure what she's wearing. I can't see on the movie. I haven't watched the movie yet, so I'm just giving her a very simplified boot. And then from there we can draw her shoulders. So let's come right here. We're going to poof this out. Pop this out right here. And same thing over here. And let's work on this hand since it's a tiny bit simpler. It's on her hip, so I want to make her fingers kind of in this area right here. So just keep that in mind. So let's come about right here. Bring this down, and about right here I'm going to angle this in to this area. And then let's just bring the sleeve in here. About right here, draw a curve and connect there. So we've created a bend in her arm. And then right here, I'm just going to draw in a little angle, and then fingers right at the bottom right there. So on the other side, she's holding her cane. So let's bring this curve down. And we're going to give it a slight bend. So come out about right here. And so same thing, give it a slight bend. And connect about right there. Then for her hand, we're going to totally simplify this. I'm going to come out with a thumb. Hopefully this doesn't look too weird. A thumb, and then her fingers. They're going to kind of like wrap right underneath right there, because we want her cane right underneath here. So let's bring her cane down. So I'm going to find my center, so just so I can make it easier for me to draw, since I'm drawing kind of big, so I know where I'm going. Oh my goodness. Okay, there. And then let's add like a little detail right here. We can add a little curve right here. And there. So hopefully that looks like it. And then for some details on her outfit, let's come right here where you went. Oh, actually, you know what? We need to draw this center line first. So straight down, center of her jacket, and then cross it right here, the waist area. And just add some buttons in here. And everything else is pretty much textural, and it is black, so I won't add any details in it for now. And then let's add a heart right here. She is Cruella, but she still has a heart, right? So they're all done. I really hope I helped you draw Emma Stone here as Cruella from the new Disney movie. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.